MODICIA O.S. Caravaggio. The future of Linux starts now. Welcome to MODICIA O.S. Caravaggio, one of the most powerful and refined Linux distributions ever released. Whether you're a developer, gamer, multimedia creator, or everyday user, this version is built to elevate your experience. MODICIA now runs Cinnamon June 4th 10, offering a smoother, more cohesive interface. Notifications are cleaner, desklets integrate seamlessly, and Wayland support is stronger than ever. Window management has been upgraded with smarter tiling, snapping, and multi-monitor handling. The Nemo file manager has also been improved for faster, more intuitive navigation. Under the hood, MODICIA runs Linux kernel 6.12 LTS. It includes the long-awaited real-time preempt RT patch for ultra-low latency and the new EDF scheduler for smoother performance under heavy CPU loads. This means faster compiling, better gaming, and seamless multimedia workflows. MODICIA is also ready for next-gen Intel CPUs and GPUs, with expanded hardware support across the board. Security has been taken to the next level. MODICIA now supports Intel CET to block advanced attacks like ROP and JP. AppArmor profiles have been strengthened, and optional sandboxing with landlock is available. Systemd services now run with tighter permissions by default. And yes, MODICIA is officially immune to the year 2038 bug, thanks to a full transition to 64-bit time. MODICIA O.S. Caravaggio includes over 59,000 packages. More than 11,000 are brand new, 42,000 have been updated, and 9,000 obsolete packages have been removed. Every package is tested for stability, so when you install software, it just works. MODICIA now mounts /tmp and /var/tmp in RAM by default. This dramatically speeds up system updates and package installations. If you have 8 GB or more of RAM, you'll feel the difference immediately. APT has been upgraded with standard compression for faster installs and lower CPU usage. Parallel downloads are smarter, dependency resolution is more efficient, and the new Deb 822 format makes source lists cleaner and easier to manage. MODICIA O.S. Caravaggio isn't just a Linux update, it's a complete reinvention of your desktop experience.